How to fix iPhone sound not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is use the volume buttons. At the left hand side you will find the volume buttons. You can increase or decrease the sound from there. Likewise, what you can do is open your control center. Over here you will find this volume icon. From here you can increase or decrease the volume for your device. If this solution doesn't work, what you have to do is open your settings. Now you have to give fresh restart to your device. So scroll down, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option Accessibility. Now scroll down, head towards the option of Audio and Visual. Toggle off for the option of Mono Audio. Likewise, make sure you have set the balance to 0.00. Once you check this, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, head back. Go to the main page of settings, open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings, enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone sound not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.